Mame Mao Akwaba Emfa Umbra Ghana Nsem TV GH so wafreme Adorye searching.
Yanya will bonny piano so said that the bon no who pay be when Yanti said that because the bonny you will pay. Mubet ya. Ebinu de bebe ya kete ya. And that yes a petro bu akosoro na wunya bi to eye. Hopeson Adorye. And that the Hopeson Adorye and the NDC for mutidi se petro bu akosoro na wunya bi to eye. Na do bakromu wa ma petro and short 1 year 1 month put that petro and short to that. Under John Mahama 1 na ye kiu ni akoto petro. Na do 8 years ye kiu an koto petro da. But still, mu pe kwan bi say papa wait to papa wait tan chere Ghana men na do na wode ye nkola ko school free no ye tumi be ka chere ye say na do ne ba wo mi ade wo mo bon wa ma wo ye ne hwe ye senya ba wo mi a anka ye ko IMF 2021 anka nye 2023 na anka se be ye ko IMF o Senya ba womia ekwa fefa anyama bi yenye say import the and titwe so yefa wenye ya anka we would have gone on there since 2021. But Baumia believe that we can have homegrown solutions. Yatina kromuha igalamse kunyanyo obi akasa oni solution. Baumia kroya cause suggested ye use gold catches. Ye use gold catches. They started to say ye use gold catches. See, echo, but still, come for we be jinem. Debbie. Nanado must go. As if Nanado was on the ballot. Today, Hopeson Adorye is telling us say Petro no bu okosoro na wunya bi to a eye. Na do time na petro ne bu okosoro ono everade Ghana for ye trimu adinyo because 2022 mekai petro koya edu baby na diesel na 23 February 2023 and petro teba form diesel teba form and kosura until May 2024 and a petrol started say a pide. No crano, yadeba asura nebesu 14 and ye jan ho 14. Ye ja petrol no ho 14. Na mostila amatie Hopeson Adorye we ya ono all company sika bia di ayam farmer nti odi otanya to no mo person odi say MPP kakwa gene di say petrol no wo high say price no wo high na say wunya bi to aye e will na when ye be antaye. Nanado kept it high. Nanado made sure say we had petrol. Ya anticiate say your petrol be short so that for the 8 years. Maybe some mo be dinawa na aban papa ba no. Aban papa ben ena sebio within less than 1 year to me and keep power on. Aban tantan na ba ebe keep power on for how long? For 8 years. Ebe ye. Muti the Americano. Straight up be. Hopeson to also.
So we don't pray that it goes up, but we should make sure. I listened to MPA boss, and he was giving a strong assurance that at least we have some 6 weeks cover, and the diesel about 5 weeks or so. And we are also hoping to get some of the fuels in town in the shortest possible time. So we are praying that at least government should focus on getting the fuel in the system so that at least when you move out, you should be able to get fuel, buy and go. Don't go and give, oh, we are waiting for this, we are waiting for that. No, that one, we are not expecting that. As is happening in other countries and other things, I think Ghana, we are better placed now. Though very expensive, but I mean, appeal to Ghanaians, let's manage it and pray that the war over there ends.
president na yare beto on my wiase amansan na petrol bu okọ osoro no Hopeson antumi antu yan for say ye manage o Hopeson Adorye wantu yan for say ye manage ye bi enne de Mahama penso de Hopeson say we de ade no say wo to no ayi kura nya hwe because no so on top petrol aja say Hopeson Adorye on top petrol I'm say I'm afraid bibi say coupon say coupon enu bebre na egu ni kem ntodu ana wa fail no okọ on tis kan top petrol kon onyina on kasa nkwasi asem we me ka no kre na akere say Hopeson Adorye sabi o top petrol ti say me nu mi enu yiska we botom de top petrol na o metna on kasa nkwasi asem we say price na wo high kra e okay na nado apen so no price na wo high ya na enyo okay nti ade na Hopeson na de price na wo high nti no e okay because what is John Mahama and they are feeding you. Uko Jubilee House, omote petrol coupon ni bima, fakona fasa bisa fakoto petrol free. Into uje se organizer na auto petrol di ene juma. Uje se driver ni no to petrol di ene juma sebe. On tumi kuran toni sebe fair mu. Na all taking loss every day as a taxi driver, as a truck driver, as a pragia driver no. Onu di on tia high premium no. Am kato sankrofo they don't deserve to live. Ombe wu nkwase ewu. Driver ni na ono air round air drive passengers one air kwa juma ede no ono de Hopeson Adorye say oye nipa chen wo taxi driver no enti wo de conton aboarding eye okay manage because ono no odu Jubilee House ya ni NDC for na wo ja o mo hode be che MPP mu no on be man cheat on be man no coupon fuel coupon enti kuyani na wukoto sebe gallon ba kope ede egu sebe umoto bromu ede akoye adwuma no wo de to na boden. That is how they are. That is why I keep saying that some of these people they will not die a normal death. Ashtown, some of these people they will never die a normal death. Normal. It will never happen for them. Because under Nanado Obia corona be we are seeing na petro be bia Canada obia bra mo say no mompene no munti bi da na du kumo ene de John Mahama ba petro no kosoro Hopeson Adorye aye ni tin wi shen aya na no say yi ni Samson sa papa na no ye yi kwa na mo friend say first no Thursday theater ene chiri obeye Ghana ya na ha ni fita papa bi Samson sakora bi sa pepepe why when nim say efunu why when nim say aigbefu ofunu a yede ko bato Hopeson why when nim say aigbefu a e ko bato yentumi nyamfa Florida water engusu yet John Mahama de ane de we should manage because John Mahama ye nipa John Mahama there, so or the petrol no $100 krana young top because I am Mahama. Let's manage. Because of free OTDS are on top petrol. OTDS are Hopeson no on top petrol. Enti wa wo koba. Etna ka mu a lorry fare e twa wo mene no enye ho na o hwe because owi a o kasa nkwasi asem we owi ya otuka tale na we ya na okay empatana me ba ya no ya wi okwa na ya yi be 1 month coupon e de ama no into the whole month no bu ni free na yire ntop petrol na yiri wo kwa Father Dex enum ho a de ehia no so bebubu no mu kakra ye se ya obubu no mu kakra kire mo a na odini sebe odini no fu atwi o manim kakra coupon into wo mo ntoshe ya ntoshe na sabe we wedding kra no party a sponsor petrol na abeto Hopeson o wedding kra party na sponsor man wa o draw so kra wo shede yi sabe wedding ni na ye to ni na ma enti na se ma free fuel enti na ogidi se fuel no ba bi e ko no ye good a e okay onya me hwe o me nya me no usubedi o ma me fa ni si form na mama no na nko too much Mr. Felix say yes say men calm down. Yeah, no, me calm down. But yes, calm down. To make calm down. Next one, next story. Yako voter region where be you? Yako Asante region. Yaba Hopeson. I feel Yako voter region. Ye wo kromu ha voter region for muntie me and obi ade wom ye de ya ne fefe obi abenya ne de. Voter region for ye ti kromu ha. Ana moye amadwen se sabe mo de party bi na ye de atwa mu furuma ye wo mutum tie no ana mo beto abama. Ya nanso ne ye beye ne den because me kai president Kufuor time Kufuor ne Rollins ye tumi bo agotime CPP 33 PNC 29 NPP 0 NDC 11,865,884,000 bim nina na then NPP for ntu obi there be o NDC for nko o betini akọ election yes you akọ Keta results are NDC 11,689,472,303 trillion. Hey, now the MPP for maybe are yet. President Kufuor bedi ade no starting say or the development eba voter region. Because no Jene say be among experience say hospitality or do from the account side in T. And ama that type of people now say nyamo dia mo be say no. And that make us say Rollins be di ade 19 years. NDC ni awoshe me wa ha. Ye nkwachiri. But the longest kilometer of road that Rollins no di so 19 years no tumi ye voter region. The longest kilometer. Road road where the Rollins na ye ma yen. Patro mo ma yin. Bra na betwa president Kufuor penso